kapag pressure na tayo, meron tayo dito na 23 minutes. And si Zach, pinahiram niya na yung phone sa kanyang kapatid. Malapit na tayo sa kung saan tayo mag-stay. Dito na tayo sa Blue Dolphin Yamba Holiday Resort. Sana makita natin. Ayan.
Oh, we're here! This does not feel like where it was.
Why?
Am I right, mate?
No.
Yeah.
Oops.
You go see Mom.
Yung may dolphins dyan na sa entrance. May dalawang dolphins. So nakuha rin dyan yung map kung saan natin ipipwesto yung ating caravan. And also, mayroon tayong ensuite. Last time, did we have ensuite, Han?
Yeah, but we had to walk across the road, remember?
Oh, yeah. Kung na-upload ko man yun. May ensuite kami, pero nasa tapat siya na kailangan namin maglakad. Eto, siguro nasa likod lang namin. So, this ensuite is just behind us, Han?
Yep.
Yeah. So, hindi tayo maglalakad ng malayo. Kasi pag umuulan, hindi ka makakatawid doon sa ensuite namin. Pero meron pa naman siya natira sa bahay, pero hindi ko dinala. Kasi ang plano namin... Wait lang.
Yeah.
Pinaplano nila kung paano sila papasok. Paano nila i-maneuver yung kanilang caravan. Oh, good. So, may plan talaga kami na isa-shopping yung mga bata ng mga damit. Especially yung boys. Kasi si Holly, nabibilang ko naman siya pag nag-shopping kami sa Adelaide. Yung boys talaga, ayaw nila na ako yung pipili ng damit nila kasi gusto nila kasama sila. So, ito yung isang gagawin natin dito. Mag-shopping ng mga damit ng boys. And isama rin natin si Holly, mga shorts. Mga shorts. Nice. Okay. Para siyang landmark, guys, kasi merong river.
51, isn't it?
What number are we?
What's it say?
Kuya?
51.
That's where we are.
51.
51.
Does A mean on-site, doesn't it?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Alright.
Is that right behind?
Careful, Han, your mirror.
No.
Your mirror. Oops.
Yeah, you do.
Oops. Oh, kunti lang as in sasabit siya pag hindi kayo nag-pay attention. Meron lang tayong 23 minutes dito sa SD card. Hindi ko malagay lahat kasi para makapag-vlog tayo.
They're in there.
Ayun na si Zach.
Jesus, hard.
Yeah.
Oh, there's food here too.
Do they?
Yeah.
Okay.
Beachside eats.
Ayan yung pool kung maalala nyo. Ayan.
Zach, go find 51, Zach.
Zach!
51.
It's just there.
What's on, Willow?
Ano muna natin ito? Ayan.
You don't want to go on that mat.
Ayan si Willow. Tulungan si Johnny Boy.
Oh, Willow's.
Oh, nice.
So I want to go in between here.
Yeah, kasi yung
I might
carpet.
just go up, go there, then come forward.
Malapit din tayo sa pool. Ayan yung ensuite natin, oh.
That's where our old one was.
Before, diyan kami last time. Nasa shade. So, wala masyadong sun. And malapit din yan sa pool and sa mini golf, kung maalala nyo. Okay. Oh, good.
Where are you, Willow? On the end one.
Ah, just there. Si Willow doon. Maganda pa rin yung pwesto natin kasi may trees nandun nga lang. Kasi last time, yan yung trees. Nasa nasa lim-lim. So, wala masyadong init. And yung aming ensuite before, dyan yung caravan, nandoon. Ayan yung ensuite namin sa kabila. So, tatawid pa. Pag umulan, hindi maganda kasi basa tayo. Ayan yung pool. Ang daming pool. Dalawa. 1, 2. Siya naman ang tutulong kay Willow. Doon lang si Willow. Oh. Where's Zachary? And alam na yan ni Kuya, yan ang kanyang trabaho. Si Zach, wala na. Tsaka si Max. Baby! And ayan yung ensuite natin, o, diba? Dito lang. Ano lang, sa likod lang talaga. Ayan yung pool. Dito yung may slide. Kung na-upload ko man yung vlog na yun, nandito yung slide. Maganda kasi katapat lang natin si Willow. Habang busy yung boy sa labas, tayo naman dito sa loob. Lagyan na natin tong TV. Ay! Sana tama itong ginagawa ko. Wait lang. Okay. So, dyan na maglagay ng itong mga cords. Ano pa ba? Ito. Magbuhugas din ako kasi yung mga empty bottles ng ating juicing. And ito, mayroon akong pang pancake bukas. Ito, maglalaba din ako. Ito, basa din. Basa. Lagay ko muna dito. Dito yung mga toothbrush. Ay, nag-toothbrush sila. And mag-transfer tayo ng another file sa computer para may space ulit tayo dito. Tingnan mo tong matchong to. Init na init.
You have sunscreen?
Yes, I have.
Where? I'll put it on later.
I think I got your... I hope so. Oh no, it's not here.
What's there?
That's Holly. That's all Holly.
You didn't get me one.
Wow.
No, well, I don't know where it is anyway. I'll just go no shirt.
Alright.
And I'll wear this.
Nagdala ko lang na si Holly. Pang swimming. But I got a hat for Daddy. Dito yung hat ni Daddy tsaka ni Holly. Okay. Transfer muna tayo ng files para makapag-vlog tayo mamaya. Busy pa naman sila sa labas. Kala ko dala ko yung kay Zach. Tinanggal kasi nila. Pag tinatanggal nila, hindi nila binabalik. So, wala na. Habang si Kuya
Did that sun just move?
I don't know. Tumutulong sa Daddy. Etong isa naman. Ayan, kumakain ng Activia yogurt. And ayun yung pool. Kitang-kita dito sa ating area. Yeah, there's another one. There's another one here.
I want to go get. And there's a river.
Anong oras na ba? Yeah, there's a river. 12, 11. I don't think so. I went to the river last time.
We walked there.
Did we? I'm not sure.
Go morning walks.
Yeah, I'm gonna do morning walks. Can you go with Mommy?
Okay.
You're gonna do run too. Training. You're gonna be Where is it? Do we have oval here? Kasi kailangan niya mag-training din eh habang nasa nasa holiday, iti-train siya ni Jan. Normal yogurt. Kailangan daw niya. Ubos niya yung probiotics. Kailangan niya daw yung isa pang yogurt. What?
She got vanilla.
There's
Yeah.
one more vanilla.
I can't have it.
I
Yeah.
can have that. I can have your strawberry.
What did you get?
Oh
Okay.
no.
Why?
You want to swap?
There's another vanilla.
We'll swap.
There's not one more vanilla.
No, because it's already open, so he cannot return
I
it.
can have it.
You don't have to.
Do you have to?
Yeah, but this one's okay.
Huh?
Vanilla's the
that?
best I get.
Ano sa? You like that one? Yeah. Kumain din ako niyang kahapon ba? O kahapon ata.
Dad said I'm getting my shorts soon.
Yeah, kuhaan namin ng shirt si Hot. They're putting the awning now.
Where's Ben?
Over there, Sak. On the other side. Kailangan ni Jan na mag-drill dyan kasi hindi niya maipasok yun, oh. Ayan yung pang-drill.
Bottom as well.
Maybe the side too, hon.
No, it's the bottom.
The bottom one.
No, it's the side.
Yeah, the side. This one. This left.
It's any side. Really.
Is that it?
I feel like this.
Yeah.
That's fully in.
That's already in, hon.
No.
Just check
Finally.
Yeah.
the big fat one.
Basta tayo mag-transfer. Ayan, dito na kayo sa DJI. So far, wala pa tayong katabi dito sa may right side namin. Kung saan malapit yung pool, doon sa kabila. And dito din, wala rin kaming katabi pa. Meron next door, pero dito sa katabi nan wala pa. So, we'll see kung sino pa ang mga parating na mag-holiday. Willow, andun, nag-aayos pa rin siya ng kanyang awning. Nilalagay niya yung mga covers sa side. Ako ay maghuhugas na dito. Totoo na to. Hugasan na natin mga to. Yung mag-ama. Ayan.
I'll wrap this around the post now.
Not yet.
Tapos na ako doon maghugas. And si Kuya, wow, yeah. Are you sure? You're gonna sleep here tonight outside?
Yeah, vacuum. Post.
Ayan. Ayan si Holitos na mag-swimming. Yan ang yung swag ni Kuya. Ayan yung bed niya. So, tapos na dito sa labas. Although, nagka-struggle ng very light dahil dito sa mga bars na yan. Nag-drill pa si Jan. Ah, Kuya, you have to clean that one.
Is it the one with my dress?
Huh?
With the violet dress?
Yes.
How do you use it?
Yeah, put in the laundry.
How do I start it?
Just press it on, yeah. Good luck tonight. Oh, we have lights here too. Oh, you have your lights?
On.
Oh,
have a phone.
alright. Just text us, Kuya, if you need help. Get your pillows.
Yeah, we have a rag.
What?
Yeah, get away.
Ouch. Fine.
Are they there or over there?
La 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 la. Kuya, oh, full, yeah. Yan eh.
Here?
Okay, sakto, promise lang. Promise lang. Holly. Si Sasha kasi sobrang nag-enjoy sila sa kanilang laro na. Okay, just mommy and daddy na lang. Ready sa kabila. Alis na naman tayo. Mag-drive daw muna tayo. Ha?
You got those bags.
I'm gonna go to the toilet. Do we need a key, Han? But do we need a key for the toilet?
No, I've got it.
Okay.
Turn the lights off.
Yeah, I'm coming. Wait.
Where you at?
Number 51 yung toilet natin. Dito pala sa kabila. Ayan. Okay. So, meron naggamit. Si Jen siguro. Same lang last year ang itsura niya. Maalala nyo kung na-post ko man yun. Ayan, yung toilet, shower, and dito natin ilalagay yung ating mga skincare. Diyan na lang muna kasi nagmamadali na naman si Sir. Mamaya natin ilalagay or bukas. Ayusin yan kasi alis na naman tayo. Kaya kung mag-wiwi lang ako. Doon sila. Okay.
Girl. Hey, girl.
Back in the car tayo, may jacket na ako
Dad,
kasi
nice signal.
medyo malamig yung hangin na. Time is 4:30. Yan.
No?
Ay, bag,
Oh, yes,
Han!
it is.
Sorry, the bag.
What bag?
Grocery bag. Where's the...
Where's the...
Just gonna get... It's on this side.
Since when did the top say that Johnny? This? Dad, we thought we had to pay, and then Holly presses this random button, and then it just comes out.
No, what on Darwin?
Yeah, and that's fun, Holly. Look, 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 Dad, ready? And then Zach does it to the other one we're not even playing with. Oh, hey, I thought you had to pay with card.
Okay. We're just waiting for Willow.
I'm gonna buy Prime with.
No, no Prime. No.
Just joking.
We're gonna get water.
Gonna get drink. No.
No, we
joking.
still have drinks and fruit box there.
Not
Meron pa,
alcohol, Mum.
meron pa akong fruit box nandun sa bathroom ko nilagay. So we don't need fruit box.
Do you want it?
What's that? You alright, Holly?
Yeah. Holly thinks she's doing a phone this year.
Whatever,
No,
no.
I did not say that.
She do.
Hmm.
Do you want one though? Yeah, do. What?
Shut up.
One difference. Medyo malayo.
So you can what?
Uulan daw mamaya.
No, that's not what I said.
Uulan daw mamaya.
Huh?
Is it big rain, huh? Tonight?
No.
Kagabi, ang lakas ng ulan. Hindi niya narinig. Ako narinig ko. And itong Zachary, iniwan na. Bukas pala yung window. Bukas yung window, so basang-basa yung side niya. So, kaya kanina bukas yan para mag-dry. Yan yung kilawilo. Hindi ko makikita yung cover na cover sa kanila. Oh.
close.
Ayan. Malapit lang to sa atin. This is the restaurant, ha? Like, yeah. Pwede dyan mag-order ng breakfast. Pero hindi tayo siguro mag-order ng breakfast. Gagawa na lang tayo ng breakfast. Ayan yung dolphins na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Yan yung reception nila. This is the boat, Han.
Okay, so you can walk all along here,
Yeah.
all the way up through here.
Yeah, okay. Ito raw yung aking walking area.
Oh, Dad, there's a surf shop here.
Diyan.
Yeah, it might be. You know where we had tea, that pub over there? It's over there.
So, dito tayo mag-walking. Hopefully, mag-start na tayo bukas. Hindi. Pupush natin yan. And ayan yung mga boats.
Is that the first?
Yeah, try kong i-walk to kung ilang kilometers. So, sana wag umulan.
Did he drive?
Ito yung isang caravan park nila. Oh.
Yeah, I know.
Sa kabilang area naman to. Hindi naman siya ganun kalayo dun. Pero eto medyo maliit. Mas maganda kung saan tayo. Ano yung shop? Shopping, yeah.
That's the surf shop there.
Dati, namili sila dyan ng damit. Dito, sa-sightseeing tayo dito. Nakapunta na tayo before, 3 years ago, kung maalala nyo.
Yeah, I just love
Ayan yung magagandang bahay din dito. Oh. And this is where the market, right, babe? Somewhere here? Yeah. Yeah, the market. So, sana may mga fresh na veggies sila para makapag-shopping tayo dyan ng mga gulay or veggie. Yeah, gulay or veggie. Fruits. Gulay and fruits. Dyan yung market, oh. Pag Saturday yata, Han? Every Saturday or Sunday? We'll see.
Saturday.
Every Saturday or Sunday, dito yung market before.
Are you going there?
Yeah, if they have it.
Are you walking there?
Yeah. And eto yung ibang...
Yeah, it's broken.
Is this surfing area, babe?
Oh no, we got stuck in a current here, I think.
Yeah, ayan na si
No,
Kuya
that was somewhere else.
tapos lang
wasn't it?
mag-surf. So, eto surfing area
Was it
din to. So, sightseeing muna tayo dito. Bago mag-grocery.
It was up there, I think.
Ayan. That's
Like,
it.
if it has a square, like square
Oh, that's
pools.
it.
That's
Go
it.
on the other side.
Other side naman tayo. Ayan. Sako! We can go up.
That's to a beach. Alright, we went somewhere else.
Ganda ng view dun, oh.
We went to Italian, didn't we, Dad?
Yung beach dun.
Yep.
Ayan.
Yeah, right. It was down there, we got stuck in a rip. I got out. Just. We
Here,
all got
that's...
out.
This is we went before for swim.
Take that, what do you mean I got out? Just. We all got out. What are you on about? I got out first. Okay, and
So, lipat-lipat muna tayo. Road work dito. May binibuild naman ng mga bagong building dito. Or apartments. Okay, mag-golf dito si Jan tsaka si Kuya and Willow.
I don't know.
Yamba Golf.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
what's that deal, I think. So we go on there.
Why? Mum, where your mum can walk.
No.
walk there.
No, I don't
yeah,
wanna
it's a
hurt.
wicked one too. Look at that.
I don't wanna hurt your
Oh yeah, Zach.
legs.
Footy ground we'll be running Zach around.
Huh? Yeah, Zach, that's your training.
Yeah, told him that.
Wait.
There it is.
Diyan siya
There is no
magti-train.
football club here, Dad. Do you think we'd get a game, Dad? Surely that would put me in, you know, rocking.
Ganda ng sunset.
Rocking? I can jump higher than you.
Yeah.
Mom, why do you get a better view on your
Naghahanap tayo ng... Naghahanap kayo ng footy. Pero ang nandito ay, soccer. Wala silang footy.
There's goals up the other end there.
Where? I don't see...
Flying around, John.
Nandito.
Oh my God, look at that.
Ayan, dito
Diba?
pala sa kabila. What's... Oh, the gym.
There's yoga.
Ah, yeah. What's that? I wanna...
Dad,
I'm
this
gonna
is rugby, mate.
look.
Is it?
Is it...
Any footy goals anywhere?
Ah, no. Walang footy. Rugby to.
Yeah, straight ahead. Down that end there, there's a set of goals.
Rugby. Wala akong nakikitang post. Ah, yeah. Ayun. Ayun, nandun yung mga poste for hindi ko lang makikita nyo.
Is this the tank that goes in the...
Yeah, that's the over. Yeah, that's the... Ayun hindi ko lang makikita nyo
There
yan.
is no footy club here, Dad.
The house of
Billabong.
Billabong.
That one?
Yeah, I think that one ayun na. Dito tayo sa area ng Rich. Rich.
Who would hide their house behind trees?
Malalaking bahay. Kaso hindi nga makita. Kasi ang lalaki ng puno. Ayan yun. Nadaanan na ata namin yung may-ari ng Billabong. Nandito yung bahay
That's
niya.
where Nathan comes and that surfs every
Surf
day.
here. Yung tito ni Max. Dito nagsusurf ang tito ni Max. Yung kapatid ni Bridie.
So hop out and
Okay. Dito yung mga bata. Sightseeing muna tayo dito. Nice color. Holly, no! Oh my God. Stand up. Stand up, please. So, stand up so I can take a photo.
Max, if you fall, you're dead tonight.
Be careful, ha? Be careful. Oh! You see that?
Wait, come over
May
here.
kidlat.
It was like this. Max, it's like a Pokemon going like that.
Careful. The thunder? Sak, sak, sak. No, 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 no.
Come down, Holly, you fall.
No, 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 sak, sak. Leave her alone, Zachary.
She falls, she's done. Come on, come down.
No, 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 leave her alone. She's alright. Baba, look at me. Max, hot?
No?
Where's DJ?
I don't know.
Baka nandun sa kabilang car. With Max, I think. Okay, grocery na tayo. Kumikidlat baka umulan na. Shopping na tayo. Hawa. Thanks.
What for? Perfume.
Ito mga bata, perfume na ang mga gusto. Right here.
Thank you.
Ito yung perfume daw ni Kuya. Gusto niyang bilhin. Hugo is good.
No.
You haven't. What do you want? Legend.
No.
Which one?
The silver cent.
The silver
Oh,
cent.
that's not mine. Wait, they have 1 million.
Yeah, 1 million.
Jumbo.
Tingnan mo siya, ang cute nila.
I don't have that one.
Gusto nila perfume. Try it first. It doesn't look good. Doesn't look good, Baba. Is it crispy? Nah. Crispy?
What flowers did you get?
Charisma. This one. Yeah, that's good one.
Oh, that one.
Because that's the one I always use.
Oh,
No, this one. You can ask to try.
No, that's $130. Are you getting intense? Is that intense? Silver cent. Wait, can we not grab it?
No, we're gonna ask someone. Ask someone.
Can I get one?
What do you? Yes, I bought you one. Remember, where's the other one? Whatever. It's not bad. Okay, ask. Sak, I have the Jimmy Choo. The black one.
Let me search.
Si-search siya ng gusto niyang pabango. Kasi lang tester, so hindi natin ma-ama yung gusto nito. Okay, which one, Kuya? Try, can we try first? What's that one?
John Paul. It is. John Paul.
Charity partners. The Sisterhood Foundation's purpose is
this for that one?
a more inclusive future.
Let me smell.
The best of the 80s, 90s,
test all of them.
You like that one?
That smells good.
Yeah, it smells very simple. Okay. What's the name of that one? Silver scent.
You don't want to test the other ones?
Which one? Try the other one. Yeah, try the other scent, Kuya, the blue and black.
Yeah.
Just try, just compare.
Versace.
Can we try the black and blue as well, please? We're just gonna try the scent.
Get that? No, the other one. Can I?
Ito ang gusto. Let me see. Can I smell? Oh, that's good too. That's good. That's good too. The first one. Okay, the first one na lang. John Paul. But they don't have a tester.
Max says it's good, so because Max's is good.
What if it's not?
Versace era. It's too strong.
Too strong?
No, too.
Let me smell. I don't know. It's strong.
I like that.
Ito talaga ang tagal nito magpili. Si John Paul walang tester kaya. Nah, it smell like home. Yeah, somewhere else na. Alright, we're good. So kayo mag-order ng dinner sa Clarence River. Masarap dito. Kumain din kami dito last time yung food. And
You got butter?
yes, I do have butter. Ito yung order number natin, 175. I think that's us. Once, yes, thank you. Go, Holly. Thank you. That one too?
Thank you.
Thank you. Go, let's go. Thank you. Remove that one first. Dito na kami kain tayo ng dinner.
I told you, Dad.
What? What, yeah?
You want that calamari?
Calamari.
Hey.
Yeah, put on top.
Dad, what did I say? Told you.
What?
I got the writing.
Told ya.
Just calm down.
Kain.
We got the sauce.
Stay ready, Zach. Yep, Mum will get that. I'll get
Ito yung first dinner natin dito sa Yamba Takeaway. Plano dapat mag-roast ka, so kinulang na sa oras. Kasi naging busy ano nito. Phoenix, di ba? Yung ating
Grab a little plate, put some sauce on.
yung ating owning pati si Mayo,
Huh?
si Willow.
Dad, is it orange?
Ayan, meron tayo ditong
I can have
calamari
some.
and whiting, scallop, fish sticks, and nandun yung chips, potato cakes, andun na kay Sak.
Oh.
Tapos na akong kumain. Mayroon pa isang natitirang crab stick. And si Kuya, where you going? Maglalaro raw sila ng 8 ball. Tsaka si Max. See ya. Pardon me. Nagkikidlat. Okay, tapos na tayo mag-dinner. And si Kuya, masaya siya sa kanyang pabango. Binuksan niya na. Silver scent yung pabango. Okay, put away natin yung mga pinamili. Yung iba nilagay na ni John doon sa bathroom, yung body soap, yung detergent. Ito, bumili tayong Dettol wipes, wraps, yung mini, yung Simpsons Pantry wholemeal. And then, and ito yung crumpets na squares. Dalawa yung kinuha. And of course, mawawala ba sa grocery ni John?
For $3.
Ano?
For $3 each.
Yeah, I thought for $3. Naka-sale daw, sabi ni Johnny Boy.
3, 6, 9, 12.
And Vegemite. peanut butter. I think I have peanut butter, pero kumuha pa
Yeah,
si
but
Jan.
if it's a crunchy one, I want to have it.
Yeah, si Jan kasi ayaw niya yung
Remember I got the white peanut butter?
crunchy. Ayaw niya yun, yung may peanuts na real. And eto, lettuce.
Why don't you put the tomato in a bag?
Where's that one?
The leg.
And eto, dala natin to, ginamit namin kanina. And meron tayong kamatis. And bumili ako ng rice bran oil.
Yeah.
Meron ako dalang avocado oil.
Oh my God.
Eto pang ano yan, pang
And
deep fry. Kung mayroong i-deep fry. Meron. Gusto ko magkamotik yung. May binili akong kamotik. Salami for sandwich ni Jan or for panag-cheese platter tayo. Grapes. Masarap siya kasi crunchy. And meron silang 3 minutes noodles. Sinong kumuha? Who got this? Zachary. And syempre yung ating Chobani na Greek yogurt. And kumuha yung mga bata ng pancakes. Yung ano ba? Buttermilk. Ayan. Yung greens yung brand. Cream. Thickened cream. And cream fresh. Para sa ating dip. And kumuha ko ng papaya kasi ang ganda ng papaya sa Coast. Wala silang ano, Master Chef. Master Chef lagi. Muscle Chef na yung ready meal. Meron nga sa Woolies pero wala ditong Woolies. Coast ang meron. Corn for tomorrow. Hindi ata. Next time yata. Magluluto kayo ng corn. And si Kuya, kasi sabi ko, Kuya, wag niya nang kainin yung Muscle Chef kasi wala sa Coast kasi yun ang gusto ko. So, kumuha si Kuya ng Coast Kitchen Real Food Fast Butter Chicken. Yan. So, hindi ko alam kung ilang calories to. Kasi yung Muscle Chef, meron siyang nakalagay kung ilang calories yung isang pack. And teriyaki chicken. Itong kakainin ni Kuya sa lunch pag nagugutom siya. And meron pa sweet and sour chicken. Si Kuya. Meron si Kuya, may kumain. And who got this?
Holly.
Holly got fantastic noodle chicken na nasa cup. And bumili ulit ako nitong ano natin pa, scrunchy. Kasi si Holly, hindi niya alam kung saan niya nilagay yung sa kanya. Eh, wala tayo sa bahay, walang extra. Dito sa carrots. Ang liit naman ng carrots na binili ni Johnny Boy. Ay, yung pang salad ko. More corn. Cucumber para sa aking salad na ginagawa. Pepper. And eto yung kamote. Kasi gusto ko magkamote Q. We'll see kung magawa ko bukas. So yan yung ating mga napamili. Ito yung first grocery natin dito sa Yamba. Kasi meron pa naman tayo dito. So yung kinuha namin yung kakailanganin tomorrow and the next day. Okay, put away ko lang to. Hala, magkasya kaya to sa ref? Kasi tingnan nyo. So, ayan. Hindi ko lang kung kasya to sa ref. Excuse me. Ayan yung aking Muscle Chef. Meron na lang tayong 5. Kumain lang naman si Kuya yung isa. Okay, organize ko lang dito. And
I'm having noodles for breakfast.
breakfast na ang pinag-uusapan dito, guys. Ayan. Inano ko na, guys. Chinap ko na yung ating cabbage. Yung lettuce. Para may lagay dito sa aking lalagyan. Pero punong-puno siya. May binili rin pala kaming cling wrap or glad wrap. At saka aluminum foil. Nasa labas nga lang. Tsaka baking paper. So, takpan ko na lang muna to ng cling wrap or glad wrap. Kasi hindi kasya yung pantakip niya kasi. Bubukas siya kasi punong-puno. And after this, magsha-shower na ako. So, ito na yung itsura ng ref. Napagkasya ko lahat ng mga pinamili natin. Yan.
Hi, Mom.
Ayan yung dalawa. Where's Zachary?
Under there.
Si Zach nasa bunk bed ni Kuya. Kasi si Kuya dun siya sa labas matutulog sa swag niya. And tingnan niyo yung ginawa ni Zach.
And this is mine.
Ayun si Holly. Oh, di ba nagbahay-bahay na sila. Good night.
Night,
Yeah.
Mum.
Holly, can you move it over a bit?
Move what? Oh.
Alright, good night.
Night, Mum. Love
Good
you.
night. Love you too. Tulog na pala si Kuya. Andyan na siya sa kanyang swag. Kailangan ng tubig and yun na yung vlog natin guys. Nakaligo na rin ako. Hindi ko binasa yung buhok ko. Bukas na lang. And tingnan yung mga bata. Nag-dessert pa sila ng yogurt. Yun na yung vlog natin guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Sila matutulog na rin yung ating mga ka-caravan. Good night guys. Uy.
Because I think